YouTube, check it out. We just got a package in from Babyliss. I know what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up so y'all can get an idea of what it is. Check it out. Boom. It is the official clipper and trimmer. I dropped something. It is the official Lithium FX clipper and trimmer. The video that I posted a couple days back was actually the prototype clipper and trimmer, and this is the actual clipper and trimmer. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to this unboxing. That way we can see what comes in the box. Let's get it. Alright guys, so check it out. As you see, we got the paper with the Lithium FX clipper on there. And then we got the Lithium FX trimmer. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the tools. So here is the Lithium FX clipper, the actual case that it comes in. Remember guys, the video I showed a couple days back were the prototype, so I didn't have a box. I didn't get to actually do an unboxing, but that's basically what we're gonna be doing on this video. As y'all can see, I got the box for the Lithium clipper, and then we got the Lithium FX trimmer right here also. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Let me move this box to the side. So check it out. Here is the actual Lithium FX clipper and trimmer, the official version, not the ones that I had. The ones that I had were the prototypes. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox these, and I'm gonna talk a little bit about them. So let's go. Let's start with the clipper first. So y'all check it out. Here is the box that it comes in. We got a little bit of glare due to my light, but check that out. Y'all can see a nice box, smaller box than normal, but nonetheless still a dope box. As y'all can see, y'all know Babyliss always gets down. Oh, I like that. Y'all know Babyliss always gets down with their casing. We got a picture of the clipper on the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and read some of the specifications that we have on the back, just so we actually get an actual idea of what this clipper is working with. So like I said in my past video, it does have a gold titanium wedge blade, 5 detent taper control, now extends up to a 4.2 millimeter, in case y'all were asking. So once again, that is a little longer than a normal clipper open. So it's slightly longer, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, it's basically kind of like a stretch bracket. Long life ball bearing DC motor, 6,800 RPMs. Ergonomic grip housing. The on and off switch is once again located in a different spot, so that's obviously good. Lithium ion battery, 2 hours of runtime. LED low battery indicator. New universal charging port. So once again guys, it uses the regular FX charging cords. You don't have to switch cords anymore. You can use the same cord that you have for all your clippers. So with that being said, let's go ahead and open this up. Get this out of here. So as y'all can see, nothing else in this box. I'm gonna move that to the side. Here is the clipper. We're gonna go ahead and turn this on, see how it sounds. Sounds pretty powerful. Once again, we have the click lever, and this click lever actually feels better than the one that I have on the prototype clipper. It feels a lot nicer actually. Feels like more durable, you know, higher quality. I don't know what they did, but I like that. Nice and powerful clipper. Once again, wedge blade. We do have universal charging ports, new on and off switch, just like I said in my last video. But let's go ahead and see what else comes in the box. So we do get some of their guards. Here is the one in the 1/16th, and here is the rest of the guards. It's not their premium guards, but still good guards nonetheless. And then we get a charging cable. Once again, the universal charging cable. We get a little blade protector, some brushes, and then we get the pamphlet that, you know, your boy really don't ever look at. So that's basically what comes in the box for the Lithium FX clipper. Let me finish putting this back in here. And once again, here is the clipper. Me personally, guys, I really like this style of clipper. Like the way it feels, like just the shape. It's a nice shaped clipper, man. Me personally, I'm really digging it. Motor sounds super powerful on that thing. Now let's go ahead and jump to the BaBylissPro Lithium FX trimmer. We're gonna go ahead and read some of the stuff on the back, because once again, I didn't have all the specifications when I was showing y'all the video before, and now that I do, we can actually see what this trimmer is working with. Gold titanium exposed T-blade with 360-degree view. So the skeleton trimmer, you know, head that they normally have on their trimmers. New long life bearing DC motor, 6,800 RPMs. So this trimmer must be stronger than the one that they originally sent me. They must have decided to go with a stronger motor. Ergonomic grip housing. New lithium ion battery, over 4 hours of runtime, LED low battery indicator, 30-minute quick charge. That's super, super dope. So I guess you can charge it for 30 minutes and you get a good charge time. And then the standard FX cord for the charger also. Let's go ahead and take this out the box. So even though I already have these basically, I'm still excited to use them, man. So let's take this out. Oh, okay. So upon turning it on, I instantly can tell that this is stronger than the one that I have. Like I said earlier, this one says it has a 6,800 RPM motor, and I believe when I tested the last one that I had, I want to say it had about 5,800 RPMs. So we do got a stronger motor, and I think that's one thing a lot of people were kind of iffy about was the motor, wondering how the motor does, but this motor sounds super, super dope. It does have the Gold FX blade on it like I showed y'all in, let me see if I can get that to focus. Like I showed y'all in the past video. It ain't really focusing, but nonetheless, Gold FX blade on here. Man, I love the way that sounds. It sounds super, super strong. I think I'm really gonna enjoy this trimmer even more than I already do. But let's go ahead and look at what else comes in the box. So we do get an extra cam follower. We get a charging cord. We get the zero gapping tool. And I don't know if I'm gonna need a zero gap this tool because it seems a lot stronger than the last one that I had. And then we get the BaBylissPro manual that I ain't even gonna look at. But let's go ahead and put this all back in the box and let's go ahead and talk more about this clipper and trimmer combo. Alright guys, so once again, here is the clipper and trimmer combo set from Babyliss, the LITHIUM FX. Really digging this style of clipper, man. Like, I don't know if y'all can tell in my last video that I posted about these tools, I was really enjoying them, and I think I'm gonna enjoy them a little more. You know what I'm saying? I'm really liking the body style of this clipper. Like I said earlier, it is a matte black in case y'all were interested. Once again, charging port on the bottom, on and off switch, click lever, basically everything I went over in the past video. But I'm really excited to try out this trimmer. Y'all know Babyliss always comes out with hitter trimmers. Their trimmers are always super, super dope. And this one, ergonomically, is probably my favorite one. I really like the Low Pro because I like the way it felt in my hand. And this feels similar to it, but I don't know. I think it's going to hit more. You know what I'm saying? I do like that it comes with the Gold FX blade. Once again, it doesn't want to focus, but come on, man, focus. It don't want to focus, but we got the Gold FX blade on the trimmer. Sounds super, super powerful. So I'm really excited to try these out, guys. And y'all know how your boy does it, man. I'm going to put these to use for a little bit. And I'm going to give y'all an updated review later on. Let me get a couple weeks into using these, and I'll actually give y'all an updated review. Let's see if I can see when these come out. I'm not sure what the actual release date on this, but once again, I am pretty sure that they are releasing next month, you know, in March. The clipper is going to be $159.99 and the trimmer is going to be $129.99, just like I said in my last video. But check it out once again, guys. Here is the LITHIUM FX clipper and trimmer combo. Looking super dope, super sleek in the hand. And that's basically what this video was, guys. Just me unboxing these tools for y'all. Like I said, I'm not sure when they drop, but when they do drop, you can go to BaBylissPro.com. You can use my discount code TANK10. Save yourself a little bit of money upon purchasing these beauties, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, that's basically it for this video. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.